Chiropractic is a healthcare profession that aims to get your body working as best as it can, mainly through hands-on techniques called adjustments. But we also give people advice on things like posture, nutrition, stress, and exercise. Basically anything that's going to support the care that we're giving you so that your body can be as healthy as possible. We also do things like dry needling, otherwise known as medical acupuncture, perhaps deep tissue massage, and of course exercise advice. Although we focus very much on the spine, and most people who come to see a chiropractor come to see us with back pain, neck pain, and headaches, we actually treat a lot of other things, including hip pain, ankle pain, shoulder pain, pins and needles, numbness, and anything related to the muscles, bones, joints, and nerves in the body. One of the things that sets chiropractors apart from other alternative health professions is the fact that we can take x-rays. So we don't need to take x-rays on everybody, but if we do, they can be a very valuable tool in understanding what's going on in the body and of course making sure that the treatment that we do is safe and effective.